Hello fan collectors, this is a Palm Air top mount ceiling fan. Don't know the exact model name, but it's top mount because the blades mount above the motor. See there? See part of the motor too. And this ceiling fan is no longer being manufactured. You can't find ceiling fans like this on the market today. I mean, probably not for like the past 20 some odd years, really. Anyway, it's got 4 cane blades on it. And a light kit. I'll turn on the light so you can see it better. See, there's the cane that goes clear down from the top to the bottom. Close up of that. There's the blade tip right there. And the globes that came with the ceiling fan were slightly lower profile, if you know what I mean, than your typical globe. But I guess that was to like cut down on, I don't know, like headroom or something, or make more of it. Because these ceiling fans do hang down pretty low despite the fact that their blades are above the motor. You're less likely to get a haircut from it, if you know what I mean. Show the canopy. Runs pretty well. Moves a lot of air too. I have 4 of these ceiling fans total, and this is the most recent one I got. Got it at Habitat last October, and in 2009 I got my other 3, and I did have one prior to that, which fan collector Cole Semenko has, and he's enjoying it. But that one sounded like a helicopter when you turn it on high because the bearings were obviously faulty, but hopefully he fixed them because he's got the time and the know-how to do it. So he said. This one does not sound like a helicopter, and nor do the other 3 that I have. Okay, I'll turn it on for you. Start out on low. It's on low, got a little bit of a hum to it. That's okay. Not uncommon for ceiling fans of that area to have it. I don't know how well you can see the top of the motor. And there was a place in the South Hills Mall in Pittsburgh that had 3 of these ceiling fans installed on the lower level. It was called Deck the Walls, but except they were on like about like 24-inch down rods, I think, and there were the polished brass versions of these fans. Plus, the one in the middle was set to a different direction than the other 2. I don't remember which one went in what direction because it's been so long and the store has since closed, and I don't know what's in there now, but I take it the ceiling fans have been removed. And by the way, they were the polished brass version of this. And all the versions I've found of the ceiling fan for sale were antique brass. Not that's a bad thing. I mean, I really like it a lot. Okay, medium. Starting to pick up some speed. Goes pretty fast for medium. Okay, I think we're ready for high. Wow, that's an ocean. Got a little shake to it, that's okay, but nothing we need to worry about. It's really poised too. Another top view, close up of it. I don't know how well I can get it, but so I'm not using the viewfinder right now. This thing really moves a ton of air. And it's a shame they don't make ceiling fans like this, because let me tell you what, this thing could just outlast what's manufactured today. It does a lot better than that Hunter from 1998 I just showed you in another video. Okay, time to power down. Got a little bit of a spin down time, but that's okay. This is one of my favorite ceiling fans of all time, Palmair. I went to this one woman's house that had two of these ceiling fans in it. Of course, one of them had cane, and the other one had just the plain side showing, which seemed a little unusual. Not that there was anything bad about it, but more often than not, you will find these ceiling fans with the cane showing. Another thing I'd like to add is that these ceiling fans were sold predominantly at 84 Lumber in the oh gosh, like mid 80s, or definitely sometime in the 1980s. Takes a while to spin down. Okay, it's now officially stopped, and I will conclude this video, and thank you for watching.